Alright, get her in this position where you got your collars close in here. You're going to drop some red Loctite in here on the threads. Same on the other side. Your micrometer, going to measure from this point to where the spindle stops on the axle and the threads start. Come over here, measure it again. So we need to move it this way. Axle centered. Channel locks opposite direction. Going to tighten that sucker up. Just like that. Sure your collars are going the same direction. Sure the pins are lined up with the slots. Just want to make sure the measurement's the same. If you want to run these a little wider out, you can. If you want to run them inboard a little more, you can. You want to hand snug these down in the slot until you see that little washer in there crush. Don't want to go super tight on them, just hand snug them down. Same with these, you don't need to go crazy tight, but you want to go tighter than you did. So you put I use a little wrench on here, a ratchet works good too. That's it, fellas. That's all there is.